Hi and welcome to a new video. In-app purchases are extra features that you can buy inside a specific application such as boosters or game currencies. In this video, I will show you how to enable this feature on your iPhone. Let's go. Usually, in-app purchases are widespread for mobile apps that offer a pro version. As mentioned, these typically come in various forms such as ad-free experience, in-game currencies, or other upgradable features the developers may provide. Applications with in-app purchases are easily identifiable upon downloading them from the App Store, as you can see here. However, if by chance your in-app purchases fail to work as they should, double-check if you have configured it correctly on your iPhone. To do this, open Settings and navigate to Screen Time. Make sure to activate your device's screen time if you haven't yet. Next, go to Content and Privacy Restrictions, toggle it on, and then choose iTunes and App Store Purchases. Finally, tap on In-App Purchases from the menu and set it to Allow. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.